Conference. Converge wins over Rain or Shine to take Game 1 of this best-of-3 quarterfinal series. I'm joined by our winning coach, Coach Franco Atienza, and our best player of the game, Justin Arana. Congratulations, gentlemen.
Thank you.
Coach Franco, how this game started was also reminiscent of the first encounter as you had to recover from a 17-point deficit. How did you like the way the team stepped on the gas from the second quarter to ensure that you take this game home?
Yeah. First of all, we'd like to thank God for this win, and it's a great team out there. And you have to put it in the context. This is a series, so this win means nothing kung hindi namin ma-close out. No? Yeah, same as nung eliminations. No, we medyo flat start kami, and that's something really we have to solve. We give credit to the other team. I think during the first half, 11 na yung 3 points na binitawan nila. So our guys are just mandun naman, pero we have to do more. Kung pumapasok yung tira, we have to adjust. So we have to do better on that. And then yung shooting percentage nila is at all-time high. I think 55% first half and in the first half. And it's nice naman kasi at least we showed some resilience. We were able to get back. Of course, with the help with this guy beside me. Kahit paano, we got our bearings. We were able to make stops. Yun naman pagdating sa playoffs, no matter how you score, kung hindi ka makastop, hindi ka makakabalik. So, yeah. Pero game 1 pa lang to. We need to close this out on Friday. And I know may mga adjustments na gagawin si Coach Cheng. And that's a great team yung kalaban namin sa kabila. We just have to be ready and do the things that we did well. And hopefully we have a better start on Friday. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach Franco. Now, Justin, ito yung first game back mo pagkatapos ma-sideline. How are you able to deliver despite playing a high-pressure game kahit nakakabalik mo pa nga lang?
Siguro yung focus kasi namin is manalo talaga Kasi this is pang-lima na namin to sa quarterfinals and hindi pa kami nakakalusot sa apat na yun. So super, kumbaga gigil talaga kami na makakuha and ma-sealed yung panalo this game 1. And syempre, hopefully sa Wednesday makuha ulit namin Friday para at least makuha namin yung first semis and yun. Big thanks sa coaches and syempre nagtiwala sila sa amin and especially sa sa teammates ko.